Good morning from Greece. We are in Mykonos, as you can see in the background, and we're just walking to the city now and gonna show you around how it looks like. Now it's in the morning around 11 o'clock and it's quite windy, so we're excited to show you how Mykonos town looks and when you should come, on which time of the day, and we're gonna take you with us. Mykonos is also a town, a car-free town. So that's why you have to park the car outside, which is also amazing because we love car-free towns. And now we're just arrived into the little town. We're gonna visit the little Venice with the cute restaurants just beside the sea. Baby cars.
They have to be small here so they can fit here through the small streets.
I'm feeling like in an adventure park because it looks so fake, but it's gorgeous.
How is Mykonos?
Beautiful. It's different than Santorini. Like Santorini is like this, and here you're just like flat walking, which is nice because it's not too hot then. And now we're gonna check out the ocean, how it looks like by Little Venice.
Saskia can't stop to take pictures.
Everything here looks so beautiful, and then you also got these pink flowers, and the streets are so cute.
Your clothes match perfectly with the vibe here. White and blue.
Yes, I'm in the vibe.
What a vibe!
We made it back to our room after the Mykonos town tour. It was amazing and we highly recommend you to visit the town in the early morning, and after 11 it gets so hot and crowded. And yeah, either you go in the morning or after 7 o'clock in the evening because the cruise ships they're leaving in the afternoon. So yeah, I hope you liked that video.
Give us a like and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.
Now we're going to the spa. See you in the next